How to register FAB Mobile Banking, or known as the First Abu Dhabi Bank online banking. So there are two specific ways on creating or to register an account with FAB Mobile. But the most convenient way of doing this is via the application. So if you haven't downloaded the app yet, just simply access any app store available on your mobile device and then just simply type in FAB. Tap on the magnifying glass and then just choose on FAB Mobile. And this is the application that you need to download and install. And once you've successfully downloaded it, open the app. And then in here, you'll get two options. Just simply choose on Join FAB. And then you'll be redirected to the page in which you'll have to answer specific questions for you to be able to open an appropriate account. Now choose whether it's for accounts, credit cards, or personal loan. Let's say for accounts. And then in here, you will be redirected to the next page again to see what fit the account for you. So simply follow the on-screen prompts for you to completely create or register an account. So that is how you can go ahead and create FAB mobile banking account.